Hey, this is Bill dining solo today as Susan and I go to work at our respective jobs. I'm hitting the local Lotte supermarket food court in Chantilly, Virginia, where I'm grabbing a bite to eat at Punjabi by nature. So come along and see what I ate. So we're going to give the rice a try. It's definitely a seasoned rice. There's a little bit of butter or ghee or maybe even some kind of oil in it, so it's not totally flavorless. It's got a little bit of salt, but generally a really good tasting basmati rice. I could eat this all day long, and I could eat this as an entree by itself. Now we're going to give this curried lamb a try. It's got a nice brown color. It's not too greasy. I mean, I don't see any grease at all, actually. It's got some parsley or chopped cilantro on top for a garnish, and a lot of really nice chunks of lamb in here. So here we go. It's very tender lamb. It's been cooked low and slow, so it's pretty well seasoned, mildly spicy. This is not a very spicy curry here. Anyone can eat this. I mean, if I had to compare it to Taco Bell seasoning, fire sauce is probably as hot as this goes, which is, to say not very spicy, but I know there are some people out there who can't eat spice at all. But I'd say Taco Bell fire sauce is either as spicy as this or a little bit spicier. Very good though. I'm going to enjoy this lunch. There is a lot of this curry gravy here, and it's just really delicious. It's a little bit salty, so it goes great with having some bread to dip it in. I might even order a second order of plain rice to go with it. There's just so much, and it's just so flavorful. I finished my bread and rice before I could finish the curry. I debated whether I should pack it away for another meal with additional bread and rice. By itself, the lamb curry was a bit spendy for a workday lunch, especially when it doesn't come with bread. I might consider ordering the lamb for dinner takeout, along with a side of spinach or chickpeas. I'd call my wife ahead and tell her to make rice for dinner to go with the Indian takeout.